so happy you're joining me today. Thank you to the 1,000 of you that's decided to subscribe to the channel. But I hope everyone's staying safe as they possibly can out here. 2020 is a mess. You didn't click on my video to know that. Let's get into why I'm here talking about my hair during a pandemic. So, I'm in New York. Obviously, New York has been through the thick of it, but that whole time that New York has been in, obviously, the thick of the pandemic, they ain't want us going nowhere, guys. You know, if they knew you was from New York, it was crazy. I thought it was gonna be a civil war. I just don't even know what to make of these last few months, but we're here. Obviously, the last thing on my mind was my hair. So, I stayed pretty good taking care of my hair through the first 2 months. Then like the third month hit and mental health got in the way, and I honestly was not thinking about my hair as most people aren't. So also, while that's happening, if you guys have seen my other videos, you would know I don't like protective styling. So what you see before you is a 2-week unwashed hair, and it is so matted. It is not even a joke. Every time I get on this camera, guys, is to keep it real with you guys. I am not one of these girls, you know, doing hair videos that just has hair that grows. Some people are on YouTube doing natural hair videos, and they're just showing you what they do to their natural hair. They're not trying to specifically make it grow. I'm one of those people that's specifically trying to make my hair grow. I want you to see the progress of my hair, but you know, with hair growth needs consistency, consistent good things for it, and I have just not been doing that. I've just been not doing it. So I like to keep it real with you guys. So this is what my hair looks like when I'm not taking care of it during a quarantine. It is it's not too bad because I've been co-washing it. I actually went to a water park. I know, shame on me, right? But I went to a water park, and I had my hair in like braids and a protective style, and then when I came home, I washed it and conditioned it, but I didn't deep condition it. So this is my hair with about like 3 weeks not deep conditioning it, just co-washing, brushing through it. It is so, it may not look it on camera, but it is so dry. If I was to keep manipulating it kind of the way I'm doing right now to show you, it is gonna break off. So look, I mean, you guys know I have fine hair, but just look at how matted it is. Like, it is so matted. It's crazy because I've been co-washing it, brushing it. This is why I tell you guys, I can't do everything that you see other girls do. Other girls will just be able to put conditioner in their hair, brush it out, hair's back to normal. My hair dries out in the matter of a day if I co-wash it. I need deep conditioning with heat for my hair to last with moisture in it for 3-4 days. If I don't do that, my hair is going right back to dry, right back to me having to co-wash it again and manipulate it again, and that's what's been happening, and it's horrible. It's like absolutely horrible. I just want to just get on here, and because I like to keep it totally 100 with you guys, this is what it's looking like. If you have hair like mine at this point, you are going to have to thoroughly section and brush out your hair before you shampoo it. Then you're going to have to introduce protein to it, which is something I haven't done in 3-4 weeks. You guys need to know, my hair doesn't get protein overload like that. I have very fine strands. They adore protein. So what I'm gonna have to do is wash my hair, get it nice. Actually, first put conditioner in it, make sure it's detangled before I actually go in the scalp and wash it, and then have the shampoo come down the strands of hair. And then I'm gonna have to deep condition it with heat. With heat. I cannot emphasize how important that is. Heat. It's hot outside. Heat. Anyways, I think it's so important for people who are, you know, looked up to in the hair community to really show their hair on the worst days. And that's why I wanted to come and show you. Mind you, this is not the absolute worst. When I took it out the bun, it was like really shaped like Kodak black, kind of like, it was like just lumped in places like that. So this is not the worst state my hair has been in, but this is dry matted hair, and it's gonna take time and it's gonna take patience to get it back to where it needs to go. Even though I don't straighten my hair, I don't chemically process my hair is completely natural from birth. Completely. I've never done any of those things. So, and it still gets those problems. So I just kind of wanted to come on here and show you guys what I'm going to be dealing with for the next few days. I mentioned some of the things I'm going to be introducing into my routine. Some of those are already on my channel if I do anything new. Oh, that's another thing. You guys don't see videos often because when I come and bring you content, it's content that I've personally tried and tested. I'm not gonna come up here with a random recipe. I'm going to come up here, you know, the Moringa was kind of random, but you know, somebody asked me the next oil you try, show it. So this is the oil I'm trying. A few months or whenever I finish the oil, I'll give you the update on how it worked. And based off of that, I'll do it again or not do it again. But the fenugreek oil is one that I've always used, and it's helped me get this length. So if you're looking for a good oil, of course, if you've seen it, you know, watch it again if you care. If you haven't seen it, it's the fenugreek oil. I'll link it up here. It is one of my tried true recipes. And yeah. So if you guys are looking for more tips, more tricks on how a real chick grows her hair, I'm not trying a whole bunch of different things. This is what it is. All right. And it's matted. Look at that. I'm like pulling from the bottom. You see that? That's matted. If you guys are curious, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I really appreciate everyone who has decided to subscribe. You guys mean a lot to me, and I come on here to show you the real because you've taken your time out to say, subscribe, Ashley. We want more. So with that being said, I hope everyone's staying safe, and you'll see more hair videos soon. Love you. Mwah, mwah. And scene.